What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 screen won't turn on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on factory data reset and then click on reset. After factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.